Hey guys, welcome to Simplified by Jinal Shah. This is not going to be a materia video, but instead we are going to do a book review video. Book review of This Beauty, Clinical Comparative Materia Medica by Dr. Rohit Deshpande, Across the System of Medicine. Firstly, I would like to thank Dr. Rohit Deshpande for sending me this book over so that I could have a glance and I could add it into my collection and give you all the review for it. Secondly, now if I have to review, look at this book. I mean, come on. It's hardbound, smooth, soft pages. That is every reader's dream. And the cover, we never judge a book by its cover unless the cover is so visually appealing that you have to judge it by its cover. The first time I saw this book on Instagram on a meme, I was like, what does this book have? I mean, it's such an interesting cover. I would like to really know about it. And when I really got the book, the first thing that I saw is that it has something to do with Across the System of Medicine. As you can read it on the cover itself, it is homeopathy, allopathy, Chinese, African, Greek and Roman, folk, Unani and Ayurveda. That is 8 different systems. That is all the systems that are practiced worldwide. This little 400-page book has a little information about all the system. I mean, that is something very, very unique. In my 4th year, I have been reading a lot of books, even out of syllabus, and I haven't read any based on this subject or this lines of context. So it was interesting for me that I want the book, just to see what is there out of curiosity. I'm glad I have now. The first 40 pages or so has just an introduction about what are the different systems and a little bit like 1 page or 2 about the different systems of medicine. You can see here, this is a page on traditional folk medicine. So like that, there are 40 pages, and then we come to the main section of Clinical Comparative Materia Medica. Here you can see it. After this section, there are 333 remedies. 333, come on, I don't even have that many just names in my head. So much information, 333 remedies, and their application across the system. So if you pick up one remedy and if that is used across 6 systems, then what it is used for is mentioned in the book. I mean, I'll explain it with one drug and why I feel like it is an important and interesting thing to have done. You can see this Digitalis purpura. Now, Digitalis in homeopathy, what we have studied in materia is that it is useful for edema and cardiac troubles, correct? Now, when you study other systems, like here they have mentioned allopathy, which uses it again for the treatment of heart disorders. Ayurveda, again using it for a lot of COPDs as well as heart disorders and edema. Chinese medicine also using it for cardiac failure and cardiac dropsy. And traditional folk medicine using it for a bunch of other reasons along with cardiac edema, cardiac dropsy, heart failure, heart disorders. So when you read across the system, across the world, and when you know that every single system is using it for the same or similar basis, that enforces our own belief in materia medica. Although this may not be true with each and every remedy, of course, but then when you read, you will understand that, okay, these are the similar points, these are the different points. Maybe it will help you in research as well, that why in this system it is used in this way and why in this system it is used in that way. Now, like I said, this is a huge book, around 400 pages. So to read it is equally challenging. What I'm going to do personally is when I open up a drug, when I start studying a drug from Materia Medica, either from Kent, Allen or Boric, I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to add this book individually as well. So if I'm doing Digitalis from Kent, I'm also going to do Digitalis from here. So I get an overall image of the drug. Secondly, when we are talking to an allopath, we can also say that we have a drug in our system which is similar to the compound that you're using in your system. That is another interesting application of this book. This book is available on Amazon in case you feel like you want to possess it, in case you feel like you want to gain the knowledge that is here in this book, then you should totally buy it. I mean, buying from Amazon is very easy. Almost everybody knows. You go to Amazon, you either search it by the name or by author's name, and you click to buy. Yes, so that is it, the book review for this one. The second book review will be posted soon enough.